Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Cyril. I'm from India and currently I'm a student here in Vaasa, Finland. So if you saw my last video, I spoke about this apprenticeship job that I got in Lapland. So I will be leaving for it day after tomorrow. So I'll be taking my car there. So yesterday I got my tires swapped finally because it's snowing properly now. And it's really important that you have proper tires because one of my friend, he unfortunately had an accident because he had normal summer tires on. So if you want to drive, you need to make sure you have winter tires because it's for your safety, and it's also illegal to drive without summer tires now, with summer tires now. So after that I got rid of my seats at the back, so you can see it's full of stuff. So that's how I'll be taking everything. It's completely full and I still have some more stuff that I have to put. So first from here we'll be going to Seinajoki, and I'll keep some of my stuff over there, and I'll start out from there day after tomorrow. And it's about 6.5 hours the journey, and yeah, so I'll keep making more videos as I go. So it was just a quick update about what's going on, and everything else is already sorted out. They sent me the contract, and yes, so I'll start off for Seinajoki now, and let's go. So we finally reached Seinajoki, and while we were on the way, it started snowing quite heavily. There was a snowstorm, so we had to drive very slowly. And it's just 5 o'clock right now, but you can see it's become quite dark outside. So now we will go out because there's sale going on. We'll go see the supermarkets, and maybe we'll go for a car wash. Let's see.